Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh boy.
Just whizzing through past people.
Oh, slow it down. Watch it. Watch it. There's so many stuck people. It's so funny. Our car's stuck.
Oh shit, yeah, man. Rocket, look, you're a fucking idiot. Look, he's pushing. And this big dumb bitch isn't even helping because she's not even fucking
Oh god.
stepping on the gas. You're supposed to rock it, reverse forward, and then cut the wheel.
Well, we know you know how to do that. You got my car unstuck how many times last winter? Pretty much every other day.
Oh man, you should have put fucking snow tires on that goddamn. I told you, man, $30 a tire would have fucking put new tires in your car for you. What are you gonna do now? What if you like it's like this on Monday? Oh, go ahead now. Still?
No, not when you said that.
Yeah, it does the front.
That's your e-brake. Let me see it. Move. Oh, let me see it. There's a little button.
You just press the
Move your
brake.
hand. That's it.
Yeah, it sucks.
That's dumb. It's not like old school where you get to lift it up. Oh my.
What
The fuck are you trying to do?
Wait.
Shit. Uh-oh, what's this car doing?
You're an asshole.
Uh-oh. What? Is he stuck?
Why would you do
What
that?
the fuck is he doing? Is there a boot on that car?
How many dishes were in that building? See how many dishes were in the building? There were 5 of them.
Dishes.
Dish Network, the dish. Look at also, we're still getting plastered with snow.
It's supposed to be till 7 a.m.
This is definitely the worst snow we've had in a long time.
I don't know. I remember last year we had quite a fucking lot.
Yeah, but not all at once like this.
You don't remember what Jersey looked like last year?
Jersey?
Or whatever it was upstate Jersey. They had fucking snow literally.
What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know, but I'd stay away. Because he's not even looking. The idiot's not even looking.
They're using a fucking quad to plow. Assholes.
People do that all the time.
All these businesses that kept. Fun.
Why would you do that when I'm not recording? No, he is not going backwards. At a red light. Well, let him get the mountain out of your way, no? The fuck, stuck?
Oh, they're getting food at Popeyes.
Really? Because they look like they're... Oh yeah, they can't be stuck.
Popeyes became a little fucking. Should we Popeyes? Biscuits? They're open.
Yeah, they're open.